Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Messages app crashing on Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your Messages app is crashing, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to keep a long press on your Messages app, click on this info button. Scroll down, click on storage, click on clear cache, just try to clear cache of your message app, and then retry to use the message app if it works for you or not. If it's still not working, keep a long press on message app again, click on the button, and here just go to storage, click on clear data, click delete. It will completely delete your data. It will not delete your messages and not your data, but it's just delete your account from your message app. You have to open your message app, select the Google account and click continue. Now you might get all your messages back here. So your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, open Play Store, go to search and just simply search for message app here. And you must have to make sure that you might have any pending update for your app. If you might have any update button here. If you find just have to update your app. After updating, your issue will be fixed. If it still not work for you, so this only way, just keep a long press on message app again, click info button, click on force stop, click OK, go back, go to settings, go to software update, and try to update your software. Once the software has been updated, scroll down, click on this power icon, click on restart, and just try to restart your phone. Once the phone has been restarted, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.